Hi, in this video we are going to see the PhD admission notification from one of the university guys, and the candidates who are looking for the PhD admissions, okay, it will be a very good opportunity. So please go through the complete details what I kept in this video guys. And in this university total 222 PhD vacant seats are there among the 29 different subjects, and the selection will be based upon the written test and then followed by one interview will be there guys. And the candidates who qualified for the UGC NET or the CSIR NET, these candidates are exempted from the entrance test and they can directly attend for the interview. Fine. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the PhD admission notifications in the university. It will be the very good opportunity guys. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, the Unacademy is providing the complete course on paper 1, that is the teaching and research aptitude. Okay, so this course started on the 9th June onwards guys. All the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so the university is Manipal University from Jaipur guys. So from this university here we got the PhD admission notification. Okay, so you may check down. So first we will check the overview guys. Okay, and then we will go into the details regarding this one. So here the PhD is modeled on the new UGC guidelines of the PhD program, and the selection process. Selection of research scholars shall be based upon the performance in both written test and interview to be conducted by the university twice in a year, July and the December. And coming to the applications are invited from eligible candidates seeking for the admission to PhD program. And online application starting date is June 10th, 2021, and the last date to apply online is July 10, 2021. That means 1 month gap guys. And the date of PhD entrance test is July 21st, 2021. Okay. So these are the important dates and it is the overview regarding this PhD admission guys. And while coming to the eligibility and the guidelines, so here you may check down. So eligibility, candidates who have qualified for the master's degree from any academic institution recognized by the University Grants Commissions with not less than 55% of marks or a CGPA 5.5 and above in the 10-point scale are eligible to register for the PhD at MUJ. And in case of candidates holding a qualifying degree from foreign universities or institutions, registration for PhD at MUJ will be confirmed after determination of equivalence by the Directorate of Research. A candidate would be allowed to register for PhD in department relevant to his or her field of study, but the degree would be awarded from the faculty in which he or she got his or her PG degree. And a master's degree qualifying marks, and the candidates who pass the MPhil or UGC, CSIR, NET or JRF or SLET or GATE teacher fellow are exempted from the entrance examination. Fine. And coming to the subjects, here the subjects as well as the specializations are also mentioned here. In the arts and law, economics, language, English, French, Hindi, philosophy, physical education, psychology, journalism and mass communication, architecture, fine arts and fashion design, automobile, chemical, civil, computer and communication, computers and electrical, electronics and communication, information technology, mechanical and mechatronics, biosciences, chemistry, mathematics and statistics, physics, computer applications, EVS, business administration, commerce, management. Okay, so total these are the different subjects guys. So if you belongs to these subjects with post graduation, okay, with enough percentage, then you may apply for this one guys. And it is not mandatory that UGC NET, CSIR NET, GATE qualification must be there. Then only you have to apply for the PhD. Okay, such type of rules are not there here. If you are having only post graduation with enough percentage, then you may apply for this one guys. And the fee structure is mentioned here. So for Indian scholars, registration fees 10,000 and annual fees 26,000. So annual fee 26,000 means it will be the very good opportunity guys. Okay, so utilize this one. And to get the rules and regulations, okay, all these things you can get from this one. So these are all the rules and regulations guys. Okay, so if you're interested to apply in this one, once please go through the complete rules and regulations here. So what is the procedure and selection, candidature of PhD scholars and application for the research supervisor, eligibility as research supervisor, and what is the program structure. Okay, everything is mentioned here. And are you going to get any financial assistance? So that is in 13 and page number 20. So it is a financial assistance guys. Okay, you may check down in the page number 20. So Dr. Ramdas Pai Scholarship for PhD scholars, limited financial assistance in the form of Dr. Ramdas Pai scholarship for 15,000 rupees for for the first year, and 25,000 rupees per month for the next 2 years for selected full-time PhD students is available. Okay, and the selection for this Dr. Ramdas Pai scholarship will be based upon the evaluation after the registration. Fine. So here there is a chance of getting the financial assistance, guys. Okay, so if you once selected for the full-time PhD, so 15,000 rupees for first year and 25,000 rupees for next 2 years means complete 3 years you are going to get. Okay, so you may utilize this opportunity, guys. And coming to the next one, if you want to get the syllabus, okay, PhD entrance test syllabus, so you may check down for the arts and law, business and commerce, engineering, and the research methodology is a compulsory, guys. Okay, apart from the research methodology, whatever the department you belongs to, you may choose that one here for the entrance examination. And the notifications and how to apply, so click on that one, and here the online application thing is there, guys, and you may check down number of PhD vacancies as per the departmental wise and the PhD guides. Okay, that means in this university how many PhD guides are there. Okay, and each and every guide belongs to which department and what are their mail ID, what are their research works, everything is given here. So by looking at this PDF, you may select to work under which professor. Okay, and you may mail to them also, guys. So it will be the wonderful opportunity. Why? Because before entering into the university itself, you come to know you come to know details regarding the guide and their research work also, and the departmental wise the number of PhD vacants. Okay, you may check down here. So for architecture 3, okay, so coming to the total 222 PhD vacant seats are there, guys. So I think it will be the very good number. So the candidates who are trying for the PhD, then you may try for this one. And here the application link is also given here. So the interested candidates may click on this link, guys, and the last date is July 21st, 2021. Okay. So these are all the complete details, guys. So what is the eligibility, what are the departments, and how many vacant seats are there, and what about the financial assistantship to the only PG candidates. Okay, and what is the selection procedure, and UGC NET candidates or CSIR NET candidates are exempted from the written test. Fine. So many highlights are there. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please give me one like for this video, guys. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one, and just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.